Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from xking.com hit you with another video, and today's topic I've been thinking about for a while is how long should a blog post be? Now, there's so many, the longer the better, I heard. Some shorter, some longer. And my take is this, and I follow the people who run blogs. I mean, I follow those guys because they do it on a regular basis. So what I see so far is I think Backlinko had a study where, the top blogs on the internet, it's over like 2,000 words, and then the second highest is 1,800 words. So the longer the post, the better. But the longer the post, the longer it take to rank. I've seen myself. Now, if you're consistently writing blog posts on a regular basis, that's gonna be hard to write every post 1,000, 2,000 words every single post. I mean, some subjects don't need a 3,000 word explanation. So the question is how long blog posts should be, and I try to I have a formula for myself. Sometimes I post a YouTube video with my blog post to make it kind of a shorter post. So I try to do like 1,000 words or 800 words with a YouTube video. And without YouTube video, I try to do at least 1,500 words, 1,600 words, and I try to go as far as I can with the numbers. I try to go as far as I can, but sometimes you can't. So what helps out is if you have a short article, let's say it's 800 words, just do a YouTube video for it. Whatever that topic is, pull your phone out, do a YouTube video about it, and post that with that blog post, and it'll help. So you're helping. You're giving a written word, and you have a video about it. That's what I've been doing as late. Sometimes I don't feel like writing a 2,000 word blog post. The subject I'm talking about, it don't need a 2,000 word blog post. Can't get it out, or a 1,500 word blog post. It just need a nice 800 word summary or whatever, and a video going into detail. So use that as well as your blog. Everyone has to be 2,000 words. It could be 800 words with a blog post, with a video, or do 1,200 words. But I think the number one thing is be consistent in doing it. Do it consistently. I'm at a point now, I'm blogging for 5 months, and again, I have not made no money from my blog. I'm better at getting traffic. I'm still blogging 5 months, and I'm still being consistent. The number one, being consistent. If you're consistent enough to blog, you'll make it. So that's one thing that I keep in my mind. See this camera here, is to stay consistent of blogging. Stay consistent. No matter what happens, how much traffic you get, stay consistent. Because Google loves fresh traffic, fresh content. YouTube loves fresh content. So, one of the ranking factors for your blog, if you post content on a regular basis, they'll tend to rank you higher than an older blog. So still push through, still write content. Like, again, if you can't write long content, go to short content. Write what you can. Do what you can. If you can't expand on it, do a video about it and post it with the blog post. That will help. But try to make at least 1,500 words if you can. If you can't, do 1,200. Do what you can. Do what you can, and be consistent of doing that. Ty for xking.com. Thanks for watching.